What's up, little bro? I hope you good. I hope you been good. I hope you been staying out of trouble and shit. You know what I'm saying? I hope the family's straight. I hope everything's good, bro. Shit. We're gonna do some fucking pulls, bro. I don't think I ever do any pulls in this car. I don't think I ever have some fun in this car, bro. We're gonna do some pulls on the highway and shit. And obviously this is done in Mexico, of course. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. But yeah, we're gonna do some fucking pulls and we're gonna talk about 2025, bro. What to expect on this fucking channel, bro. 2025, bro, like, this is the vision that I have, bro. It's just like constantly do shit to the car, bro. I don't care how small it is, bro. We're gonna do something, bro. I don't care if it's like side markers, bro. We're gonna do something. I think that's the best way to build something, bro, is just doing little things at a time. But the biggest goal of the year is to like make sure the car is boosted this year, bro. The car will be fucking boosted this year. I don't care what it takes, bro. It's gonna be boosted this year. And yeah, the car is gonna be boosted. Turn, crazy. Not if I say no. Nah, I'm just playing. You got it, big dog. But yeah, that's the biggest goal for the year. Is to boost the car. Make sure the car is boosted. Do little shit. I already, like, my last video, I already told you guys we're gonna be doing another Tesla screen, a better Tesla screen, which is a Lynx wheel. We're gonna do that. Once that's done, we're gonna do a carbon fiber steering wheel. I plan on doing headlights on this car. I'm gonna do cosmetic and fucking performance mods as well, because I want the car to look good, bro. I want the car to look good, you know. I like taking care of my shit, so. But this is why you should buy a fucking Mustang. Well, you smell all that bad gas, bro? You okay? You sure? Man. Bro, this car is so fun, bro. If you can, get a Mustang, bro. Get a Gen 2 Mustang, bro. I'm telling you, bro. You will not regret that shit. Reliable as fuck. Man. They're good on gas too. Yeah, depending on how you look at it. You know what I'm saying? You like the smell? Huh? Should I get a radar, bro? But yeah, man, that's what y'all should expect. I'm gonna start doing more late night fucking cruises and drives and shit like that. And then just like, you know, just a yap sesh, you know what I'm saying? Just chopping it up with y'all, seeing what y'all, you know what I'm saying? We can talk about anything, bro. It could be about God, it could be about cars. It could be about anything, bro. Just comment down below what y'all want to fucking hear me talk about, bro. And shit, I'll go out and chop it up with y'all boys, man. Yeah. bro. Like, I know I don't be mentioning this shit enough, bro, but thank y'all for the support, bro. I know we just hit 40 subscribers. That shit means a lot, bro. You know what I'm saying? That means 40 people, bro, have enough time out of their day, take time out of their day to, like, pay attention to my channel, bro. Which is, like, it means a lot to me. You feel me? Especially, like, I just started, bro. You know what I'm saying? I just started, like, this shit means a lot, bro. My channel is like 3 months old. Huh? Where? On top? What the fuck is it doing up there? I think that's a cop too, bro. That charger up there, bro. I think it's a cop. Who's that merging on the highway? Looks like a fucking Honda. But yeah, that's why I had to do those pulls back there, and I had to chill the fuck out. That's like, back there's not really that many cops, but over here, boy, I feel like there's like a state trooper on every fucking exit. I don't know what it is. But like I said when the video started, you know, everything here that you guys see is filmed in Mexico. So, yeah. And yes, they do have state troopers in Mexico as well. I was just worried about them, that's all. Allegedly. Yeah. Don't worry about the signs. Bro, I got so sick, bro. Like around New Year's, I didn't think I was gonna make it, bro. I didn't. I thought it was over with. Man. But I'm gonna also like start vlogging more, bro. If I'm just like driving a car to the store or whatever, doing whatever, I'm gonna start vlogging. I'm gonna just vlog that shit. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? I'll just start vlogging and just chopping it up. Just chopping it up with my subscribers, bro. I feel like I need to talk to y'all a little bit more. Do more cruises with y'all, you feel me? Windows down, nighttime, chop it up. See what y'all think. It's gonna be nice once we get this Tesla screen situated, bro. And I can blast the heat, crack the windows and shit, bro. That shit gonna be real nice. Man, you good? You good? You're good? You sure? You gonna make it? Huh? Alright. Y'all know we had to bring Bae with, man. She's been sick too, she's recovering. You know, we had to bring Bae with. Hit out my dog. Bae my dog, me and Bae go way back. Bae forever good in the hood. Y'all gotta meet Boogie though. I know y'all already met AK, but y'all gotta meet Boogie. Ugh. Bro, I'm starting to yawn and shit, bro. That's how I know I'm getting tired, gang. Yo, boy, starting to get tired, bro. We got hella shit to do in 2025, bro. I gotta fix my windshield. I gotta fix these lights, bro. I gotta boost the car. We got mad shit to do. We gotta do a digital screen. We got hella shit to do. It's all gonna happen too, bro. I'm not playing. I want this thing to look different, bro, by the end of the year. 100%. It's been good to me, bro. It ain't taking care of me and shit. Ooh. Is it just me? Oh, he swerved. Yeah. What the fuck? Watch this, bro. Hey, little bro. I know you got an 18-wheeler and shit, but figure it out. Hey, y'all think if I tell him to honk, he gonna honk? Cause he need to wake up. I think that boy fell asleep. Hold on, let me see. Let me see if he gonna honk. That boy honked. That boy honked. Hey, he not asleep. He awake. He was just playing. He was just playing. That boy is up. See how I just did that? Hey, when y'all driving this shit and you run into a semi truck and they falling asleep, hey, just tell them to honk, bro. Wake them up. Don't be a dickhead to them. Wake them up, bro. Them boys do a lot. If it wasn't for them, bro, I ain't even gonna lie, I wouldn't have these Tesla screens, bro. Cause them boys are the main reason why we get all, like, everything that we fucking order, bro. They're the reason why we fucking get all that shit, bro. And that shit ain't no joke. I respect any man that's willing to drive a fucking semi, bro. No glaze, no Diddy. I'm not even like dick riding right now, bro. But like, that shit's a bitch. Fuck that, bro. Especially when them boys go out there and it's like fucking snowing and shit. They have the chain up and shit. Damn, Washington. Fix these fucking potholes, bro. Nah, what happened? Somebody Swiss cheesed it? Damn. Oh my god. I don't need no hill assist, bro. That's the shit, huh? Damn! Who did he make mad? Fuck. Chill. You gotta be nice, bro.
I would not drive my shit immediately.
You wouldn't?
I wouldn't.
Why not? Bro, I would. Hell yeah, I'd drive my car. Hey, would y'all drive y'all's car if it's like fucked up, like all the way fucked up? Like, let's say somebody hit you, right? But you ain't, like, the insurance ain't fix your shit yet. Would you drive it? Or is y'all too embarrassed to drive? I don't give a fuck. I'll drive this fucking Mustang. Damn, this shit is pushed in. No Diddy. Somebody pushed his shit in.